friends, it's Colleen, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite purchases of the past, I think it's been almost 2 years, but one of my favorite purchases for my nails. About a year and a half ago, I wanted to try gel nail polish, and I actually made a video of me using this item for the very first time, so check the cards for that. So what am I talking about today? It is this LED nail polish dryer or lamp, or I don't know what the right terminology is, but this little lamp is what you use to dry gel nail polish onto your nails. Now, when I was researching this a year and a half ago, I was learning that there are two different types of lamps that can dry gel nail polish, depending on the nail polish, but generally you can either have LED or UV light. I went with LED because the bulbs last longer and it dries your nail polish faster. Anywho, I wanted to tell you about the lamp that I have right now because I love it and I found out how you can get a really good deal on it. So here we go. I did a full blog post to talk about this lamp and my review and what I was looking for when I bought this, but I will just give you a quick recap here before I show you me actually using it to get this beautiful green on my nails. So what I was looking for in a nail dryer was I wanted it to be really small and compact because I live in a really small apartment, and this corner right here is basically like all the space I have for anything beauty related. And I wanted something that was going to not be a piece of crap, basically. I was willing to pay quite a bit of money in order to make sure I had something I really liked because I'm just the kind of person who researches my purchases. I want to make sure I'm getting one of the best options out there when I buy something like this. All of this research led me to this little guy right here. This is a nail polish dryer from Vanity Planet, and I came across this because I was watching some YouTube videos about how to actually apply gel nail polish and remove it because I was just like very nervous that I wouldn't keep up with it if it was too much of a pain. And I noticed someone was using this little dryer. I loved how small it looked. I liked that it was really light. She was like picking it up and waving it around and stuff. And so it seemed like a good fit. However, the listing price for this on Vanity Planet was like, I think $95. Seems like a lot, especially since this is like basically a travel-sized lamp. And so luckily I was able to find a coupon code and I purchased it, I think post tax and shipping, it was about $38. So I got a pretty good deal on it, but I was just a little bit skeeved out by that price drop because I've noticed that when companies list something for a really high price hoping that you'll buy it, but also offering it at a very deep discount, it just like something in me just like raises that red flag because it's like either they know it's not worth $95 and they're trying to scam people, or it's just a lot crappier than they're making it seem, and having it look like it's expensive will make more people buy it even though it's crap and is like $2 to make. So I was pretty nervous about it, but I was willing to go for it because I was watching people use it and it seemed like it was working. So it turns out that I really love this lamp. I'm really glad I bought it, and I'm still a little skeeved out by the whole price thing, and I have some tips. But first, I just want to talk to you a little bit about why I like this so much. Obviously the size. I mean, this is like tiny, yet I can still fit all of my fingers under here with like room to spread my fingers so I don't get nail polish goop on myself. And if I want to do all 5 fingers at once, I can actually just lift it and do this underneath and it works just as well. I like that it's a button, so this actually turns the lamp on and it runs for 60 seconds. This lamp is also so easy to set up and put away and stow in my drawers. So it comes with this power cord, and so it has a little plug that obviously goes into the wall or an extension cord, and then it has this little attachment that goes right there. So this is like all it is. And so just to stow it, I just pull out the cord, put this in a drawer, and I have more than enough space for other stuff in there. The way that they've built it is the only sort of seams in the plastic are on the actual bottom. So right here where there's like a little bit of a ridge, it's like smooth plastic. So I feel like it would be pretty hard to break this thing unless you like actually threw it. Otherwise, I really don't feel like this is super cheap. I think the price I paid for it is probably on the upper end of what I would pay for something of this like style, size, and quality, but yeah, I feel like it's definitely a good deal if you can get it for the right price. So as for the price, and this is like a large reason why I haven't talked about this nail lamp before, because I found a coupon code somehow, somewhere, to get like that deep discount on this, but I didn't have one to give to you guys, and I thought that would be a little bit weird to be like, oh, just like dig through some nail YouTube channels and see if you can find a coupon code. And like every person's code is gonna have a different discount, and I don't know, the whole thing was kind of frustrating. And you still can buy this on Vanity Planet and you can find a coupon code and do your own thing if you want to. But I actually found this exact same nail dryer on Amazon. And when I first looked at it, I think it was priced around like $25 to $27. And then when I just checked it yesterday, it was priced at, I think, $35.99. So it looks like it's kind of fluctuating a little bit in that like $25 to $35 range, but it is on Amazon Prime, so with the tax and shipping, it's like basically what I paid for it. So that's a much more dependable way to get this for a good price. So I highly recommend checking it out on Amazon. I have the link down below if you want to click directly to it. So if you want to see this little nail lamp in action, just keep watching. I've got a quick clip for you.
We are a new generation, a generation of fighters, a generation of thinkers, exploring the galaxy for love. A new era is dawning, a new hope is coming, a 21st century, 21st century love.
It's the century of a lifetime, baby, pack your bags, tell your sisters don't cry.
Okay, so to just finish up this video, I love this nail lamp. It's basically everything that I'm looking for. You may be looking for different things, so keep that in mind. But for me and my needs, this is the best nail lamp that I could find, and I love it. So if you're looking for it, check down in the description box for a link. I also have a link to a just like collection of items I use for gel nails. And anyway, I describe all that in my blog post, so check down below for that and the full review as well. And as for gel nail polish, I do have a favorite brand that is cruelty-free and vegan, which is like double thumbs up for me. I'm not talking about it yet because I'm trying to contact them to see if I can get a coupon code for you guys, although they run deals like all the time, so if they don't give me one, I can still give you the hookup. And yeah, so that'll be coming later, so let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. But anyway, that is it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for me, you can find me at any of the social media handles that are down in the description box, or as always, you can find me at brokerybeauty.com. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Baby, come, let's go. There's a lot to see. Our 21st